It was a dark and stormy night, except in the daytime.
Hey Knuckles, I dare you to go run in the rain. Run around the car and back.
Here comes the rain again. Come on, what are you afraid of? The camera's supposed to be waterproof. Whoa, whoa, oh, that's cold, that's cold. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, come on people, run with me, come on. Oh, turn the corner, oh, heading back, oh, lock it, right, oh no, oh, cold, rainy hard, oh, tree, oh.
Help me. Well, could be worse. Sonic could be out here holding me. Crap.
Watch out for that tree!
Ah!